Everyone, welcome to the coordinate. In this chapter, I am going to show you how to create the DbContext files. So go to the projects, then we just rename it Shopping Cart Context. Now I'm going to install Package Manager console. Go to Entity Framework Core. Install the Entity Framework Core. Then I'm going to use once that installed, we are going to here and inherit DB context. Now it will be using from entity framework core. Now we have to generate the constructor or not require this and then modify DB options for shopping cart. Now we have already created the product model, then I'm going to use here. So product DbSet, then we're going to call product. That's it. Now we can inherit add reference. Now we can reference the product. You can navigate to there here. So in this way, we have successfully add the DB context, or we have created the DB context file. Now I'm going to use this DB context file for our program.cs file. For here, I'm going to install first of all browse entity framework core. Then I'm going to use the SQL Server entity framework SQL. This one. Now again we're going to use for creating the tools, for adding the tool for tools and design, for running the migrations and all those things. One more is remaining, only tools. So you have in the web application, in the web, you have to install entity framework core, entity framework SQL, entity framework design, and entity framework tools. The four library you have to install. Now go to the program.cs file, then write the command builder.services.add db context. So we already have the db context called shopping cart. So you can use from the shopping cart from the data, use SQL Server from entity framework code. Now this already done. Now I'm going to define the connection, default connection in appsettings.json. So here I'm going to create connection string, then give the connection string name default. Now you have one more way to assigning this. Go to the tools, connect to database, or you can already have the server explorer. Just refresh the connection, just go to the property, and it is not mandatory, but if you have shortcut the create, give the full connection string without your problem, whatever the connection you already have. So change the name shopping cart db. But if you don't have a existing connection, then how you get the disconnection string? So let me tell you, open the SQL Server, connect this one. Now copy the server name, just confirm user at the rate 123, oh, sa at the rate 123. Yeah. Now to just connect, go to come here, go to the connect to server, or tools, connect to database, just paste the server name, use the SQL authentication, click SA, then give the password SA, then you can select the DB, whatever you want to select the DB, select, test the connection, and OK. So as you can see, whatever the connection I have created is coming here. You have to just copy the path of the connection and paste here. So in this way you get the connection, but it is the optional step. If you know what is the connection string and how to create it, so you can skip all this exercise. So now in this way I am going to I am created the connection string files in connection string. Then we have created the app setting file. Now we have already created the in the data and already created the shopping cart context file. So thank you for watching this video.